Hello guys, Roshan864 here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install a second hard drive or solid state drive into your laptop. So as you can see, I've got my laptop here. I'm going to turn it around. It's currently got an NVMe drive, but there's a space for a hard drive or SSD. So under this cover there's a space for one, so I'll just undo all the screws and I'll be back. So I've now took out all the screws and put them to one side, and now you're going to have to lift up this back rear cover. So if you see here, you may notice, let me get it in focus, there's like a little ridge. You're just going to use something flat and pry it open. So I'll do that and I'll be back. So I've now pried it open. As you can see, you put that to one side. So as you can see, here is my current NVMe drive, M.2 drive, and here's the empty SATA slot. So there may be 2 screws or 3 screws around the side. You're going to want to take those off. Easy as that. You can lift it up. There would your drive go. So here you can see I've got some screws on the side for my computer and my laptop. Some laptops are different. Just open the screws up. So as you can see, I've took those screws out, and you can see it comes out in 2 parts. So the part that secures to your laptop you want to keep, and the other part just put to the side for the moment. And then you want to get your hard drive. In this case I'm just using an 80GB hard drive. And you're going to want to match this up to the connectors on the board. After you have a look and you see it fits, you get the hard drive, you put this on top, and those screws you took out you would put on the side of the hard drive right here. Okay, so now I have secured this to the hard drive, and I'm going to screw the ones I took out from here that were originally secured to the board. You're going to want to put those back on. But remember, with smaller laptops you may not have an extra hard drive slot or SATA slot. So you're going to want to put that there. Get it in focus. And you match these here. You match those with the pins on your board, and then you just connect it. So as you can see, I've done that there. Just make sure it's all the way. You're going to want to get your other screws and screw it back in. So as you can see, I've screwed those back in, and that's your hard drive installation done. So then you're just going to put the back cover on, click it in place, make sure it's all clicked in all around. You're going to screw your screws back in, and then that would be your installation done. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you've got other like how-tos, ideas, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.